Hi everyone, this is Agnes and welcome to my channel. Welcome to Nestified. We're traveling again mga ka-Nestified, another road trip. This is day 2 of our Azerbaijan trip, which is going to Kabala. And right now, galing kami doon sa Juma Mosque na, sa Shamaki. And then, this is still part of Shamaki, wherein lots of winery and sceneries also dito papunta sa Kabala. So if you recall mga ka-Nestified, I've mentioned on my previous vlogs that going to Kabala will be 3 to 4 hours. So this time magsa-side sweep muna kami. We will be dropping by to the one of the interesting places also here. Ito yung Abkhora Restaurant and Wine Club. Actually, this is not really part of our tour, but thankful kami kay Sanan na dinala niya kami dito sa winery nga, dito sa wine club. I-check natin whatever ma-experience namin dito. Sobrang ganda talaga tong place na to. So ngayon, early pa kami actually. So mag-open itong shop na to I think mga 8 or 9 pa. So early kami dumating. And ayan, so we will just explore. So come mga ka-Nestified, enjoy with us as we explore this place. Embark on a new journey, new experiences, new sightseeing, a visit to the picturesque, wow, of the Abkhora Lake. Yan, so join with us mga ka-Nestified as we experience and explore this place. So as you can see mga ka-Nestified, may nakita nyo yung parang arch siya. So papunta yun yung entrance papunta sa vineyards. Doon tinatanim yung mga grapes for them to make wine. Napakasarap na wine. So makikita mo ang restaurant, sobrang ganda. Very good backdrop talaga siya. Very nice and beautiful backdrop. Yan, so sa dulo niyan, sasakay ka and then you have to go to the landscape where they planted the vines and partaking talaga siya and enjoy the tranquility of this hidden gem. So, hidden gem talaga tong napuntahan namin mga ka-Nestified. Sobrang ganda.
Ang bilisan ni ate mag-turn, nagle-level up pa. Level up. Si Ana. Ana, binibigay na talaga ng todo.
Yan, sa sobrang ganda talaga ng place na to, hindi mo talaga maiiwasan mga ka-Nestified na magpa picture backdrop talaga ang magandang restaurant. Ayan, nakikita nyo ang restaurant and yun, lahat kami is nag-enjoy talaga. So here we are, papasok na kami sa restaurant and we'll be sharing to you mga Kanestified what's in store for us and what's inside. Ayan, so nagpapasalamat din kami, appreciate kami kay Sanan for letting us see this beautiful place.
Ito pala mga oh. Maybe this is too expensive.
No. It is only neçiyeli şaraplar 19 manat.
Neç 26 manat.
Ha bu. Aha.
19 manat ne yapıyordu?
Ha.
Bu
26
manat. 19 manat.
19 manat 50 coin, 19 manat 50 coin. This 18 manat.
18.
Yes, 1/8.
Hello.
Yeah,
Because we don't have luggage. We don't have luggage. We need to buy in duty free, right? We don't have luggage.
yeah, you.
Yeah, that's
I think
we don't have luggage. We only have luggage.
you must buy in duty free.
What? Expensive.
In duty free. Finish. Size على بطل.
You haven't.
Anong brand ba ito?
Mas mura nga kasi yun sila. Mas mahal mo. Una ka lang 30.
So itong mga Kanestified, another shot wherein we will go inside the restaurant.
Yes, this is restaurant.
Ah, okay.
Rose wine, red wine, white wine.
Ito pala mga oh. Maybe this is too expensive.
No. It is.
So ayan mga Kanestified, so nakita nyo kanina, ina-explain ni Sanan ang mga products na binibenta din dito sa Coral Restaurant. So yung pinaka-main nila na product is yung wine nga because this is a winery. And yun, sad to say, we are backpackers, so only little amount of kg lang ang aming, anong amount? Sorry, parang ano lang siya, 7 to 10 kg lang ang allowed sa amin na bagahe. As much as we want to buy dito sa mga wine dahil sobrang mura lang siya, siguro almost $10 lang yung isa. But sad to say, yun nga, mag-extra baggage kami and sobrang mahal naman siya. So, yun, maybe next time, pagbalik namin dito, makabili na kami ng mga wine.
Ayan.
Yes.
What's the name of the bread? Hi! Pasali. This is kutab. That's different. The kutab is different.
Kutab is different. This is
Pasali. Ayun.
It is bread with the butter. Look, and this is hot bread.
How much is that?
Bread.
Kamay tayo.
Oh, this is bread.
How much is that?
One bread.
Yeah.
Oh, one.
Try natin. O, kasi nagbayad. Oo. Mura lang yan. Wine. Wala nga sila luggage. Ano, pasok kayo sa frame? Yan. Para video yan, ha? Dapat sa ano ko abot ko lahat ang frame. Ayan.
It's not for sale.
Oh.
But no problem in Chamela. We don't make breakfast, huh?
No. Kabalo. That's free?
Make with green, green grape.
Green grape.
Yes, when it is green. When it is not ready, still yet. Yes.
Oh, let's do the cheersing. Free? It's free? Free taste. Free? Mag-cheers tayo. Galing saan ba? Green grapes. Green pa lang siya. Asan pala isa ko?
Yeah. When it is not ready yet.
Yung ano kasi, picturean mo kasi naka-video ka. Dali. Kuya din.
Very good. Order. Bread.
So, ito mga kanestified, another full shot of what you see here. Ito, nakikita nyo ang mga chef ng taga-Azerbaijan. Gumagawa sila ng mga freshly baked talaga na mga bread. Local, authentic local bread na tinatawag nila na fasali. Ayan, no? Ganyan sila magluto, parang na on the top yung pagluto nila ng mga bread. And yan, dahil kami ay mga marites lang dito, so gusto sana namin bumili, matikman din naman itong bread na to kasi parang sobrang sarap siya. But yun, hindi pala nila binibenta. So sa mga nagda-dine-in lang na mga customer, nila binibigay ito. So kami ay mga nag-oosyoso lang. So, yun, maybe next time. Ayan, so itong mga chef natin na masisipag.
Video yan ha. Dapat sa ano, abot ko lahat ng frame.
It's not for sale.
So, thank you so much mga kanestified for your time, for your love in watching my vlog for today. And hope that you enjoy, same as we enjoyed also visiting this place. And yes, we will continue this vlog on my next upload. Hopefully you will not miss it. Our second part here in Akora Restaurant and Winery Club. Once again, thank you so much, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment, and join this channel. God bless everyone.